Hello everyone, Dave again. Today I'm going to go over the new Embrace Backlit collapsible tension fabric display. Embrace Backlit is a bright collapsible portable display that delivers style with minimum effort. Offered in 5-foot, 7.5 foot, 10-foot, and 12-foot size options, and is offered with single-sided or double-sided backlit graphics with end caps and opaque liners. Embrace is lightweight and highly portable. This new patented light solution is extremely simple to use. Simply slide the bars into place in between the scissors and connect the light strips in series for both top and bottom sides. Connect the long extension cord to the female end of the top right strips in series. Run the long extension cord down the side. For kits with one power supply, first attach the extension cord from the top row of lights to bottom row of lights. Attach the light strip to the power supply. Then attach the power cord to the power supply. For kits with two power supplies, attach the extension cord from the top row of lights to first power supply. Then attach the bottom row of lights to the second power supply. Next, attach the first power supply directly to the second power supply. Then finally, attach the power cord to the second power supply. Finish by attaching your front graphic into the SEG beaded hub, along with the back opaque liner or graphic to convert. To learn more about this brand new Embrace Backlit tension fabric display, please call us or visit our website today.